Melissa here coming in on this Monday for a quick Monday motivation. And I titled this one, Feel the Feels. So as I'm getting things ready for this launch, we got a little delayed in getting the website up and ready to go. I just felt it being very important for me to just keep staying active in here so that you guys know I'm still around and thinking about you. But still excited for this new launch of the new logo, the new branding, the new direction my business is going. And it's all in service to those of you who I've already been working with and those of you who are about to start working with me. So feel the feels. I have this topic coming up for myself, so I know it's in alignment and in service to you. So what does it mean, feel the feels? So, you know that feeling that you get when you have an upcoming event, a birthday party, a wedding, a celebration, or you just did something really good and you just feel good about it. Now, that's usually a time or a place. What if that feeling of the feel could be anywhere at any time? That's the challenge, right? I'm finding on my own journey that I can lift my vibration. I can get really excited and motivated and feel good. But at the same time, I come off of that high. Remember, we talked about the expansion hangovers? Like that coming off is the question that I started asking myself is like, why doesn't it stay? Now, I get it. Sometimes the high can be too high, but what if it's just because we hit a glass ceiling that we've established that we didn't realize? Hmm, that could be part of the problem. If you're not familiar with the book, The Big Leap, that's where he talks about your zone of genius and being able to bust through those glass ceilings. So I'm leaving that with you today on this Monday is to think about the times when you have that high vibration, but then you suddenly come out of it. What would it take to stay in that vibrational level of feeling good, feeling excited, being motivated, having the drive? And is it a glass ceiling that you're hitting? Is it a familiar pattern that you fall into? Or is it just that you're not really understanding how energy can continue to stay on a higher vibration? You can be on that high flying vibrational disc if you allow yourself. It's when you slip out of that or slip off of it that's where the question comes in. What is it that I need to feel? What's the feeling I'm seeking or desiring? And we also, with one of my clients today, we were talking about like feelings can show up in different ways. How you feel good about doing a project. Like if I'm coaching someone, how I feel good about that. But then also that feeling I get when I'm with my granddaughter and spending time with her, or that feeling I used to get when I would watch my boys play sports, right? That's it. That's in me. That's me. That's my high vibration all the time in all those areas. So how do I get back to that? How do I bring that in? And this is some of the stuff that I'm working on for this upcoming curriculum I'm developing. And I tell you what the struggle is I want to go so many different directions with it. I'm just trying to bring it down into pieces so that we can really work towards a longer term, more training that really isn't just, a week or a day. It's more of that. So everything's aligning beautifully. Keep showing up for yourself. Keep showing up, receiving these messages. Go back and watch some of the old ones. But I'm super excited because when we can start feeling the feels, we are going to do amazing things, and maintaining it is the goal. So I hope this is in service to you. If you would like to drop a comment or want to private message me, I'm always open to that as well. Have an amazing day and a great week, and I'll be talking to you soon. But bye for now.